Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your gender in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. In Mobile Legends Bang Bang, you can easily change your gender. First of all, launch open your Mobile Legends Bang Bang application on your device and make sure that you're signed in and you are inside the main lobby screen. From your lobby page, go to the top left corner and tap on your avatar. You'll then come across your profile section. From your profile section, tap on the question mark icon right in front of your flag. You'll then be able to select your gender. Click on gender from the options provided on the screen and you will then be able to change or select your gender. So there you have it. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Share and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.